The foreign currency trading market is a lucrative business, which is why many people are getting involved with it these days. It should be noted though that since this kind of business offers a lot of promises for a rewarding career, a person involved with it also has to encounter a number of risks along the way. Because of that, it is best for an individual trader to make use of techniques that will put him on a better position to counter these risks. The good news is there are already a lot of forex strategies revealed by a lot of experts of the trade today. One thing left to do for a person is to find them at the right places. With so many techniques involved in foreign currency trading, they also vary in terms of their degrees of difficulty. Some of the strategies you can find today are made for beginners in the field of foreign exchange, while some are for more advanced traders. Many of these strategies are actually revealed through a number of websites and blogs uploaded on the internet. All you've got to do is to spend some time in visiting these web pages, so that you will be able to find those that are more applicable to you. Many of these free strategies though are mostly for beginners use only. Thus, if you want to gain access to the more advanced methods, then you should widen your search. You need to keep in mind that experts in the forex industry have gone through a great deal of trial and error, before they are able to prove that their techniques in trading really work. Because of that, their strategies may not be offered for free access. Thus, you may have to pay a certain amount of money if you want to gain access to them. Most of these experts actually offer these strategies in the form of digital books or ebooks. Finding such items is actually quite easy, since they are available in many web pages. Just make sure that the one you are purchasing has been made by a true expert in the field, so that you won't be wasting your time and your money. Making use of an automated trading system for Forex is actually one of the strategies that are mostly used by a lot of professional traders these days. This is because foreign exchange systems provide a lot of benefits to them. Because of that, such tools should also be included in your list of the things to research more about, in order to make your day-to-day trading activities better and more effective. Access a number of websites where you can find forex strategies revealed by experts through the products they have created. Pick the simpler strategies first, so that when you become more experienced with them, you can begin making use of more advanced techniques to venture higher in the forex market. For more exciting videos, please click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching You Trade Forex channel.